Wow.
Another chance to attack. Another chance to set up bait the Speros.
Ohio! Ohio! Well,
Day 2?
oh my God, day 2 pa lang.
Di masyadong feel na day 2 to.
Kaya day 1 pa lang.
Parang ngayon pa lang nakafeel ng tulog. Ngayon pa lang feel ng Japan. Day 1.
Parang siya.
Cancel yesterday.
Ohio! Ohio, Ohio. Good morning po!
Tapos ka na?
Is that good? Okay din?
Hindi ko lang.
Yeah. I'm gonna yung small lang. Ganon. If I need to translate stuff, this is what I do. So I go to iPhone to translate that. So take a picture to there. Okay, that's translated into English. It's water-based. I'm getting this. This is what I use for sunblock.
It's good. First time trying this.
Can I try?
Yeah, it's very, very yogurt. Oh my God, my favorite.
Yung choices natin, ang dami. I don't know what to get for breakfast. So, this is how we're gonna pay. GCash. Hi Kev, kasi my friend works for GCash. So, generate pay abroad with Alipay. Generates QR lang. Bayad na. Bayad. Coffee. Coffee again and again. May plano kami para bukas. We're gonna eat at Yoshinoya. So near our hotel. Like, so we came from 7-Eleven. Wala pang 1 minute. Nandito na tayo. Ito na hotel namin. Wala pang 50 nga eh. Diba? Okay. Time to eat. Hello. Mga di nakatulog ng maayos. Hello! Saan yung body mo, te? What's that? Oh, the train ticket. Yay! Paparating na sa Legarda Station. We made it!
やお体の不自由な方
Hello! Ito na naman tayo sa habol ng tren. Got my ticket. Got my ticket. We're all rushing. Sakto. Sa hotel na ako mag-cool down. May ano pa tayo, te? 2 minutes. Kaya pa, kaya pa. Naninigas yung legs ko. Ate Ellie. Ayun na, train's here. Mag-usap kami ni ate. Hello! Uy, sakto tayo, te. Sakto yung dating natin. 5:38. Oh, umandar na. Sakto. Kamusta, guys?
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa ano?
What's your step? What's your step? Holy. Wow. Wow. Ito lang. Ayan lang. You know, 12 and 13 sa tama nga. Nah, I'm just gonna eat where they wanna eat. Oh my gosh. 80.
Fitness club ba no?
86.
Yes, fitness club.
So I think we're gonna go there, right?
Oh, it's this one?
No, kabila pa. Ito, diba? Tama? Oh, 86. Wait. Oh, today.
Second date na natin.
Yay, we're gonna eat na. Yay. Oh, that's a big set. Oh, here in Japan, I think it's best if we always like have an eco bag with you kasi there's like extra charge every time na you get plastic bags for your like grocery or in convenience stores. So yeah, eco-friendly. Yeah. I'm going back to the hotel now. Let's see if memorize ko na yung daan. So, I took a shower. Now we're on our way to the drugstore.
At North. Where's the North?
Drugstore na drugstore talaga?
As in, parang Watson's.
Anong may bibilin ka din?
Yeah.
Tingin ako ng acne treatment.
Dito ko. Meron yung color blue.
Tara!
Ito na yun.
Nope.
Kuya ko magkuya ko doon.
Ang lamig!
Hi
Shucks!
guys! Grabe yung ka-tune-up namin. Talaga.
Oh yeah!
Inubos yung araw ko ngayon.
We had a tune-up kanina. It's against is it GA?
Yeah. JA pala.
Ano yung team? Ano yung GAA? Ano yun? What does it stand for?
Mayuka followed me. My friend. Hi, my friend. Ay, hindi naman.
Ayan.
Tapos ito, oh. Asan na yung team? JA.
JA.
Rio Reina.
Yeah, Rio Reina. JA.
So good, guys. So fast. Gumalaw.
Division 2, right? What the heck?
Pero not bad, no?
Yeah, we like...
Okay talaga sila. Ay,
Kasya tayo
Asan na
tatlo.
yung vlog mo?
Ito na!
Hindi, i-upload mo na.
Hindi ko kaya mag-edit.
Sabagay, nakakapagod naman.
Pag ako nag-edit,
As a viewer,
ano talaga?
Saan na yung vlog mo?
Kasi pag ako nag-edit, dapat alam mo yung...
Bakit bang gagawin?
Yung, tapos yung detail kasi...
Dapat...
ano gamit mo
Dapat bilisan mo.
CapCut.
Demanding.
Demanding mo naman. Pro.
Maganda yung CapCut mo, no?
Naka-pro ako. Nag-subscribe ako.
Ano yung ano doon?
Ano lang, more effects, more...
CapCut, sponsoran niya to or else.
Baka naman. Ano din yun?
naman, galaw-galaw CapCut.
Magkano din yun in a year?
Oo, in a year.
Nag-subscribe ako.
Nakita ko yun. How the
Ano na ako, subscribe na ako para panindigan ko na, di ba? Nakakatakot naman to. Alam mo yung... Yeah. Parang any moment may lalabas na zombie.
No!
So, I'm not gonna get a basket. Baala ka dyan. Ito yung acne cream. I just wanna try. Ayun, ito yun.
Ito yun. Kaya translate natin.
Yes, please. Can you do? So this is how we do when we wanna translate. Ayan, just
And
mag-English
also
siya.
just pimples and acne.
Acne? Let's try if it works on me. Let's just go around. Uy, napadpad sa ano, oh. Uy!
Touch lang.
Touch lang muna. Ito talaga the best. Sarap! I could munch on those. Oh my god, the Kit Kat. I saw the Kit Kat na, you know, Kit Kat. I'm gonna get this, the Kit Kat na may matcha and chocolate. Napkin ang pinunta ko. Ano na? Saan yung napkins? Oh my god, I tried their, yung conditioner ng Pantene. Bumili ako.
Ito?
Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Hanap tayo.
Holy Girl Panty Liner ko. Ayoko yung nasa Dora na to. As in, best liners. The girlies out there. Best
Really?
liners in town.
Matry nga.
Tapos 72 pieces na siya.
Wow! Tipid! Sabi ko, konti lang bibilin ko eh.
As sabi sa'yo, get your...
No, yung kakayanin lang ng kamay ko, yun lang bibilin ko. Okay, napkin.
Oh, napkin. Yan, napkin na lahat.
Suggest. As sa hapon. Kiora na, wala eh.
Ito, magka-brand. Chada. Chada.
Ah, ito.
Pero ito lang, mas konti.
Bibili ko din kaya ng kamay ko.
Sa linen.
Oh, yeah. Bango, mabango. I wanna live here. Really, it's so bad talaga. Basta, nakuha ko na yung kailangan ko. Ano magandang makeup brand sa kanila? Can make? Really?
Kit brand.
Maganda, maganda.
Parang instant salon.
Every time I use Fino, it's so nice. Ayun. Na-try ko do yung honey.
Ito.
Pero the pink one. The pink one is,
Ay,
ano
shampoo?
No, hair oil. Ang bango kasi
Hair
niya.
oil?
Ito. Moist repair oil. Wala na. I gave up. I got the basket na. Max, kumuha na ako.
Galing, hindi na kinaya.
Kaya ayoko mag-basket eh. So, this one is an acne concealer and it's medicated. Should I try? I should try. In the best with Tamagotchi. Tamagotchi. Ooh, a posh. Oh, anyway. Ano lang. So we came from Sugi Pharmacy. And Steph and Max wants to eat. They wanted to eat and I didn't want to, so I'm on the way back to the hotel. I'm gonna find my way back without Google Maps, so I'll try it out.